Hello students, welcome back class 12. Today I am discussing our MySQL revision part and I am showing one more example. Some example I am taking, and this type of example you keep in mind. It will very beneficial to you. Okay, so today our question is, suppose we have a table exam. In exam we have number 1 2 3 4 5 6, name you can see, stipend, subject, average and division you can see. Okay, so Karan, Aman, Javed, Bisak, Sugandha and Suparna, these are our students, and stipend, subject and average and division you can see. Okay, this is our data. So this is our question: to list the name of those students who have obtained division as first in the ascending order of name. Okay, so only we will select first division student. You can see Karan, Aman and Javed. Okay, and in ascending order of their name. Okay, who obtained division first and ascending. So you can see first Aman, then Karan and then Javed. So for this purpose we will write, because this is list, means we can use select command. So you can see select, because we want only name from exam, where, because division is first, so we can use where division is equal to first. But after selecting the first division data, and then we can name in ascending order. So we can use order by name. So you can see here we selected column and in selected row, and after selecting selected row, and then we can name in ascending order. So in this example we have multiple things work together. Okay, so this is very interesting thing. We can select and we can see our data according to our choice. Okay, in a very simple coding, because SQL is a very simple thing. We only select our desired things. Okay, now next thing is to display a report listing name, subject and annual stipend received, assuming that stipend columns have monthly stipend. Okay, so you can see this stipend is our monthly. Okay, so which column we want to see? Name, subject and annual, because here is annual, and this stipend has monthly. I want to convert this stipend. Current 1 month get 400 rupees. Aman in 1 month get 680 rupees. But in yearly we have 12 months. So current 1 month 400. So 12 months we can say 12 multiplied by 4. So 4,800. Current annual we will get 4,800. So you can see here name, okay, subject and stipend. So this stipend is monthly, but I want to show in annually. So we multiply by 12 as stipend, and we can give a proper title. So here we use as annual stipend and from exam. So here new thing is, this is monthly stipend and I want to convert into yearly by multiply 12, and we will give a proper meaningful title, annual stipend from example. So this type of example will ask in our board examination. So this is very important and interesting example, so you keep in mind. Okay, now to count the number of students who have either accounts or informatics as subject. So we want to see only accounts student or informatics student. Either we can see accounts or informatics. So you can see we have Javed and Bisak, only 2 students. Okay, either we can see account, informatics or both we can see. So simply we can use select subject, comma, count, star. Okay, so we will count how many students in accounts and how many students in informatics. So you can see in accounts only 1 student and informatics only 1 student. So this count star will count in account total number of student, and IP information student counting it will show. So and you can see from example, and because for counting, so we will collect all the accounts data, all the IP data in one place, so we can use group by subject. Okay, and in subject we will select only selected group. So here we can use having subject is equal to accounts or subject is equal to informatics. Okay, so here first we select all the accounts data in one place and IP data in one place. First we group, and in this subject wise group, English group, mathematics group, accounts group, IP group, history group, and geography group. But in these groups we want to select only selected group, accounts and IP. So here I am using having subject is equal to accounts and subject is IP. Without having it will count all the subject wise and number of students. Okay, so you can see, so this is very important example. So we first group and then we selected group, and we will count the total number of students in a subject wise. So this is very important example. So starting three question we will write a select command. Now next command is to insert a new row in table exam 6 month 500 English 73 second. So simply this is we can use insert into exam values 6 Mohan 500 as it is you can write, but here you can use insert into exam values in this stack, and finally we can use semicolon. Okay, then we want to write the output of this select command. Select average stipend from exam where division is equal to third. So you can say only division third student, only 2 student, 400 and 5550. So 400 plus 5550, so we can say 950 upon 2. So we can say so we can divide. So you can see the output is 475. Only select third student, stipend data 455, then we can 400 plus 550 upon 2, so it will give the average 475. So output of this SQL command you will write like 475. Now we can write output. So select count distinct subject from exam. So here is a distinct, so we can eliminate, we can remove duplicates. But in this English only one, mathematics only one, accounts only one, so there is no duplicate. Simply, so it will count all the subject 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can see 6 because there is no duplicate. So here distinct will not work. So it will simply count all the subjects. So you can see the output of this select count distinct subject from, you will see 6. Now next question we will route the output. Select minimum average from exam where subject is English, only English subject. So you can see only one data 400. So you can see but in 400 okay, in English, so in English only 68 average you can see. So only one English subject, so it is maximum or it is minimum itself also. So we can say minimum. So you can see the output of this selected English minimum is 68. Okay, so this is very interesting example and very advanced example, and it covers multiple things together. So this type of example you keep in mind. So it will very helpful in examination. Okay, this example is very helpful. So you should remember this structure and the syntax and understand this example. So it will save a lot of time. Okay, students. Now here I am giving one more example. You can see answer the following. Okay, so which command is used to make changes to the rows of a table in MySQL? So we know very well which command used to make changes rows. So we know very well update command. Which command? Update command. So the answer of first question I want to show, you can see update command. Okay, so directly we will write update command. Okay, students. The second question is identify the column which can be used as primary key in the table shop. Okay, so you can see first you can see the shop table, P name, S name, quantity, price, quantity, date of birth. So only first column, because you can see S1, S2, S3 and S4, there is no duplicates, all unique values. So we can understand this SNO number is our primary key of shop table. Okay, so I want to show the answer of this. So you can see SNO is a primary key of our shop table. Okay students, now so this is 1 mark question. Only see the and we will use our past knowledge and select a primary key according to the unique values, not null values, not duplicate values. Okay, now next question is, so this type of question will ask in our board examination of MySQL and DBMS concept. Okay, Rahul has created the table bank, select star from bank. Okay, so and describe bank. So select star from bank will show the complete rows and table, and describe will show the structure of the table. Okay, so help him to choose the command of view the structure of command. So we can use describe bank, and view the content of this. So we can use select star from bank. So select star from bank, so we can use B option, view the content of table, and describe bank, so we can use view the structure of the table. Okay students, so you can see to view the structure, describe bank. Okay, so we can match the thing, and to view the content, select star from bank. Okay students, so you can see. Okay students, next time I will take the next further example. Okay, so this is our MySQL revision thing, so it will very beneficial to you. Okay students, thank you so much.